Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the AMC 2021 International Multidisciplinary Conference. I would like to present an article entitled Pandemic COVID-19 Effect, Determining Factors of Entrepreneurship Success Against Economic Growth. This research was compiled by me, Andri Yuswanto, and my friend Usep Suhud, Dedi Purwana, and Khairul Anwar. We are from University State of Jakarta or Universitas Negeri Jakarta from Indonesia. Okay, next slide. Introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic condition caused almost of economic sector to decline globally. If there is no proper action, it is feared that the economic will worsen. Quote from Kompas.com on March 4, 2021, President Joko Widodo said the COVID-19 pandemic resulted in a very disturbing economic condition in Indonesia. As seen from the economic growth data for 2020, which was at minus 20.1%. According McIver, Harris, and Tatum, entrepreneurship is a popular sector that was right during the global COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, it requires the growth of successful entrepreneurs to help improve the economic due to this condition. Research on entrepreneurship during the COVID-19 pandemic has discussed how business survived and the impact of the ongoing pandemic will until now to the impact on the global economy. Based on this, the researchers is interested in analyzing the extent to which the determinants of the success of entrepreneurs in COVID-19 pandemic condition, especially in Indonesia, contribute to information based on the research conducted. Objective. The purpose of this study is examine and obtain a comprehensive picture of the relationship and identification of the main determinants or entrepreneurial success. Success in this case is the ability of entrepreneurs to create competitive advantage that can ensure the creation of prosperity and support national economic growth. At previous research, relationship between research concepts based on review of the result of previous studies, researchers concluded the similarities and difference in variables between previous researchers. The purpose of this literature review is to support this data as a basis for analyzing the influence of education, experience, strategy, and innovation of successful entrepreneurs and their implication for economic growth. Table 1 shows the adaptation of the relationship between variables based on previous research. The table 1 adaptation of variables from previous research. In table 1, it can be seen that hypothesis, independent variable, dependent variable, and reference. There is seen hypothesis 1, education course. There is an arrow to entrepreneurial success. Hypothesis 2, experience, has an arrow to entrepreneurial success. Hypothesis 3, strategy, has an arrow to entrepreneurial success. Hypothesis 4, innovation, has an arrow entrepreneurial success. And then hypothesis 5, entrepreneurial success, there is a narrow economic growth. Based on literature review above, the following hypothesis is proposed from the hypothetical model. Hypothesis 1, there is an effect education on entrepreneurial success. Hypothesis 2, experience affect entrepreneurial success. Hypothesis 3, There is an effect of strategy on entrepreneur success. Hypothesis 4, there is an influence of innovation on entrepreneur success. And then the last, hypothesis 5, there is an effect entrepreneur success on economic growth. Experimental. The study adapt the measurement indicators based on previous research. The result of the questionnaire data were validated and tested from reliability and continue by testing the hypothesis model with Sam Amos 23 version. Measuring instrument, previous research indicators relevant to the topic and variable of this study were adapted and adjusted into question as shown in the table below. On this page, questionnaire indicator as a measuring tool for the variable above an identification code is made for its indicator measurement on the 6-point Likert scale, namely number 1 strongly disagree, number 2 disagree, number 3 slightly disagree, number 4 slightly agree, number 5 agree, number 6 strongly agree. And then we can see the variable from journal, and then we adaptation of question to be indicator. Result and discussion. Data analysis. Data collection was carried out from December 11, 2020 to December 18, 2020. The respondents of this study were diverse, both women and men of different age and different level of education and income. Based on the criteria of respondents who have the right to fill in are workers who have experience selling product. Data collection was carried out using a Microsoft Office 365 questionnaire from the distributing it through social media in WhatsApp, personal Facebook, and Facebook group. The total number of respondents who filled out the online questionnaire was 217 people, and those who met the criteria were 211 respondents. The data were processed using SPSS 25 version software to test validity and reliability. The constructed model was tested with the structural equation model, or SEM, using Amos software because the same method has the advantage and ability to measure the relationship between potential variables simultaneously if something goes wrong. Validity and reliability analysis. Statistic software applications such as application SPSS are used to find Cronbach alpha reliability analysis and analysis factors. Convergent validity test. Convergent validity test is acceptable if all item loads are more than 0.5. The reliability of the constructs is met when the Cronbach alpha coefficient is more than 0.5 for all constructs. Table 4 presents the value of validity and reliability and the sustainability index for construction the research model. The characteristics of respondents were processed by SPSS with the following result. In the table 3, it can be seen that research respondent we have profile, description, and percent about gender, age, job status, and education. And then table 4, result and validity and reliability. This is a result from SPSS. Based on table 4, validity and reliability tests were carried out on variables and indicators. The variable value that are reliable with the value more than 0.5 are education, experience, innovation, while the variable for entrepreneurial success and strategy are accepted marginally. Strategic and entrepreneurial success. And almost all existing variable indicators have a load greater than 0.5 except EX4 and then ST4. Confirmatory factor analysis or CFA is initial state of the C measurement model and is used to test whether the scale structure matches the actual data. Initially, a measurement model in which a double-headed arrow link 5 variables was solved using AMOS. However, table 5 showed that the model fit index doesn't make sense. There is table 5 CFF initial model. The initial indicator is 25 indicator. To get a fit model, then delete 11 item, AD2, AD3, AD5, EX1, EX4, ST1, ST4, IN2, IN3, AG1 and AG4. In this study, 14 indicators for the fit model were found. So in figure 2. In figure 2, CFA model fit. We can show the picture. The probability is more than 0.050. Then the CFA model with 14 indicator item was retested and yielded an sustainable fit. Table 6 explain that CFA model has been adjusted to the fit model. We can show it. Structural equation model also. Based on previous hypothesis, the initial structure model with zero correlation between errors was tested using maximum likelihood. The final structure model sustainability index turned out to meet the conformity CR more than 1.98. Figure 3 show the standard path coefficient of the final structure model, which was used to verify the previous hypothesis. We can see at figure 3 standard path of coefficient of model structure result. And then finally, table 7 presents the standard critical ratio of the 5 variables. We can conclude that all independent variables positively affect the independent variable. Hypothesis 1 rejected, education doesn't affect entrepreneurial success. Hypothesis 2, experience doesn't affect entrepreneurial success. Strategy strategy influence entrepreneurial success. Innovation doesn't affect entrepreneurial success, and entrepreneurial success influence economic growth. We can see in the table reject and accept variable. Conclusion: the analysis of determinant of entrepreneurial success during the COVID-19 pandemic, especially in Indonesia, show the strategy affects successful entrepreneurship. However, education doesn't affect entrepreneurship success. Experience doesn't affect entrepreneurship success, and innovation doesn't affect entrepreneurial success. For further research, the researchers suggest conducting further research, especially regarding education, experience, and innovation, by increase the number of respondents and distributing questionnaire for 2 more areas. For the last, we show the reference this article. Okay, my presentation is finished. Thank you for attention. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.